Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 53 of Building the Batmobile from 1966. In this issue, we're fitting the battery box. Not much batteries in this, 3 little batteries, but there we go. Green Ice, episode 53. That is Mr. Freeze. Cool. Batman. Right, there we go. Riddle of the Human Scarecrow. Yeah, the origins of the Scarecrow. And that one, and Batman 87, Part 1. Batman Comics 86, particularly if Dark Knight Returns, it's shaken up the landscape comics. Death of Robin, a Death of Robin anyway. There we go. One Batman Too Many. New Adventures of Batman. Dark and Moody, some of that. Right, so yes, this is what we've got. We've got the battery compartment and the power switch. We're fitting into the newly assembled floor. Ready for more things to go on. We've got a circuit board coming up as well soon. So, all right, let's clear this out of the way. Let's get those couple of bits fitted. So this is what we've got. One battery, 3 looks like AAA size batteries in there. One power switch, which has got an A on it. The battery has got a B on it. Not terribly tricky. We've got CM and CP screws. CM we're going to be using first. 2 of those will hold the switch in place, and 4 of those will hold the battery box in place. Oh, put one of those back away. Those for later. So that's that in a moment. But first of all, the switch will be going on here. They go next to each other anyway. So let's move those back a bit. Grab that. Put that up there. Go up on the up there. So there we go. We've got the switch. I don't think it matters which way round it goes because there's no labelling of on and off on the switch there. But it looks like they've got the wires coming out close to the side rather than the middle. I shall copy those with that. 2 screws to hold this in place there, one that side and one that side. There we go, ready for a speaker to go on there soon. But this one goes over there. Now these are flatter than the ones that side and they have to go against the wall over here. So where I did have that coming through, I don't need that anymore. Get that back out there. That will go on there like that. And the 4 screws from that. Hold that together, ready for the power to be supplied. Hopefully when we've got the circuit plugged in there, we'll be able to test it and make sure we get some, well, we get the speaker as well, so we get some sound. We haven't got any lights yet, have we? Oh, we've got the lights in the top panel. Top strip, but I might be able to connect that up and test it out later. It depends what we end up with. 3rd screw in there, come on. That one. And the last one to go over there in that corner. Come on. No. Can't get that from this angle. I can't quite see what I'm doing. But anyway, one more screw to go in there, all of them to be tightened up. And that is it for this stage of the build. Is that in? So another stage done. I don't know if it's next time or a couple of issues down the line when we're going to get the circuit board to plug these into. But for now, I'm going to call that a day. Thank you very much for joining me. Not much to build on a lot of these issues, but all important stuff and it's all coming together. So join me next time for more of this and I'll see you then. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye bye for now.